eBay. James, thank you for your purchase. I left positive feedback for you. Sincerely, Liliboo. Okay. Yeah, you can leave feedback on eBay. It's kind of scary. Let's go. Set 6470. This is a special headpiece. Not counting the Santa guy right there. Woo! Here we go. Oh, yes. Always more Star Wars stuff. Look at that stuff. That's so cool. Let us begin. Got a whopping 24 pieces. Hopefully this doesn't take more than 12 minutes. About 2 pieces per minute. As always, the most important part is a minifig. Why are the hands always upside down? These people are insane. Guys, get out of the shop. Come on. Whoa! So this is my first legit travel Lego video, or Lego travel video, whichever you prefer. I actually recorded this on top of Boteler Peak, which is one of the tallest peaks in North Carolina at 5,000 feet. And I did not just record it because the view is super awesome and happened to be super snowy there, but because I was a day before traveling to Bogota, Colombia, which is at 7,000 feet. And then the next day I would be in Alto, Bolivia, which is at 13,000 feet. So a little bit of altitude acclimation, a little bit of Legos. Good deal. Also, I recorded this guitar part where I'm singing Alto because the reverb sounds real cool. Decided to bring up some of my Lego store custom minifigures up here. They're kind of like maybe Zelda themed. They could be Breath of the Wild characters, I don't know. I was trying to think of what this guy could be loading. I guess it could be pizza. He's a little distracted. I guess he thinks he's moving snow. Look at that guy. Isn't that great? Decided to leave the headpiece off this guy. He looks so reminiscent of the dude who owns La Voz in Narcos Temporada 3. Pretty cool. Pizza, pizza!